Hello, this is Arvi. And in this video, we're going to walk through our weekly and daily cycle analysis for Sibanye-Stillwater, that symbol SBSW. Sibanye-Stillwater is one of the largest mining companies in the world. They are based out of South Africa. They are the largest primary producer of platinum in the world, the second largest primary producer of palladium in the world, and the third largest primary producer of gold in the world. And this is a very positive time period here for Sibanye-Stillwater. You can see this beautiful saucer bottom that formed here on the long time frame here in SBSW. Now, per our cycles, what gave us our first real sign of change is when we got over this old intermediate term cycle high right there, and you can see we blasted off on the upside, then got this really sharp sell-off during the COVID sell-off in March of this year. After that, we've been in basically this perfect uptrending channel here with these higher cycle highs and higher cycle lows throughout that whole time period. Now, we are in a very favorable time period still for SBSW. Why is that? Well, we have our platinum cycles just about halfway through this intermediate term rising phase. We have our palladium cycles also still early in a new rising phase. And we have our SBSW cycles just about halfway through this dominant cycle here and still clearly rising on the upside here. So this is a very favorable time period for SBSW, and you can see the beautiful week that it is having here. On the upside, we're looking for at first, as we are doing now, testing this 2064 to 2144 zone. If it gets through that level, the next level up for us is this intermediate term 100 at 2324. After that, we would look for just a modest little pullback here and then another move back to the upside, given this overall bullish condition that SBSW is in. If we shift over to the daily chart, you'll see our daily cycles. And what I want to note is first that this short-term low that formed back on 127 did form inside of our forecasted timing. And this most recent low also formed inside of our forecasted timing. So this name is acting as we would have thought. And we are now early in a short-term rising phase here in SBSW. We would look for any little flag here to set up for one more move back on the upside here. On the upside in the short term, we're looking for a test of this 78.6 here at 2190. And then if it gets through that level, the short-term 100 is 2321. So I hope you found this video interesting. I gave a lot more context than usual, but I thought it was an interesting chart and an interesting name that you may want to do more research on your own. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button on YouTube, and you can also go ahead and sign up for our channel. We do post fresh content throughout the week. Lastly, if you're interested in learning more about our trial offers, please write to matt@askSlim.com. Thanks again, and I hope you have a great day.